questions. And one variable or two variables?
One variable.
What were we doing? We were doing your word problems, right? What were we doing?
Yeah, word problem.
Write one question. Area of square is 25 meters square. Find its sides.
Just wrote the question.
What is the area of square, Saban? What is the area of square, Soban?
S into S.
Right. S into S. So what will you do?
25 divided by.
Do you know how to calculate square roots?
Yes.
How?
25 square roots like 25 times 2. Square or square root?
Square root.
Square root will be 5.
Right. Well, this was not for your linear equation, but this was a question, okay? What was the question asking? That the area of square is 25 meters square. We have to find what? We have to find its sides, right or wrong?
Yes.
So in general, we know that area of square is what?
S into S.
S into S. For your convenience, what am I doing? Let us assume. What is the first step with which we do the question? We generally assume whatever the thing is not given. Whatever the question is asking, we assume it to be a variable, okay? So let us assume the sides of a square to be S. Can we take it S?
Yes.
So area of square is S into S. Let us assume the sides of a square to be S. In question, the area of square is given to be how much? Area of square given
25
is equals to 25 meters square. We know that area of square is what? S is into S. S into S, right?
Yes.
So S into S is given out to be how much? 25 meters square? Don't
Yes.
write this. S into S is a square or not?
Yes.
So S is equals to under root of 25, right or wrong?
Yes.
So S is equals to how much?
S is equal to 5.
Since the one side is 5 meters, so we know that other sides are also what?
5.
Right.
5.
Got it or not?
Yes.
If you want to note down the question, you may.
Yeah.
Done? Done?
No, no. Little bit. Yes, no.
Done?
Yes.
Write down the question. Saban, try this question. Am I audible to you, Saban?
Yes.
Okay. Note down this question.
Yes. Yes.
Visible?
Yes.
No. Yes, Saban.
Added, what is that? After added, I
Sorry?
don't know.
Okay,
After
what should
added,
be added? What should be added to
yes.
twice the rational number?
Okay. I need to come.
To twice the rational number minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7. Okay, Soman? Okay? Okay. Note down the question, then we'll start.
Done.
Have noted it down? You have noted it down, Soman? Okay. What is the question asking? What is the question asking, Soman?
What numbers should be added to minus 7 by 3?
2 minus 7 by 3, yes, it is twice also. Twice.
Twice the rational number. What should be added to twice the number? The rational number minus 7 by 3.
To get what?
To get the answer as 3 by 7.
Okay, so what will we assume first?
But assume like 3 by 7 is x. 3 by 7 is x.
Why will you assume 3 by 7 is x?
The number which should be added.
What will we assume? We'll assume that number which is going to add with the twice of rational number minus 7 by 3, which is giving you 3 by 7. This means the question is asking you to do this.
Yes.
The question is asking you to do this, that you have a number which you have added by twice of the rational number which is given, which is also giving you the result of 3 by 7. Is it okay? So what will you assume?
Missing number is x.
Yes. Let the number to be added be x. What? Let the number to be added be x. Let the number to be added be x. Okay, Soban? Note it down. Note down this statement and tell me how will you make the equation, okay? Try to make the equation.
Yes.
You have made the equation also? Have you made the equation?
Yes.
Have you made the equation?
I think I am lagging.
Have you made the equation, Saban? Saban,
Yes, yes.
see your screen.
I'm just checking. No, not done. I don't do.
How will you make it?
Yes.
How will you make it? How will you make the equation?
Like x plus 2 into minus 7/3.
Always write these type of things in bracket, okay? Then
Equal to 3/3.
very nice. Try to solve it and tell me the answer.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, try. What happened?
Nothing.
Okay. Done? Done? Sobhan? Done?
After this,
Sure. What are you doing? Sobhan, I asked you not to do this. What are you doing? In the last class only, I asked you that whenever there is another sign, you cannot take this 2 down. How are you taking this 2 down? This 2 is just multiplied by this number. This 2 will only multiply by this number. You cannot take downwards, okay? Just multiply these two here only. Whatever the answer comes, take that to the another side, okay? Do. Done?
Yes? No,
Done?
no.
Okay. Done?
Is it minus 1800?
I don't know the answer. Show me your notebook.
It's wrong.
Okay. Okay, let's see. X plus 2 sevens are 14 by 3 minus or plus. Soban
It's minus.
equals to 3 by 7. Right or wrong?
Yes.
X minus or plus?
It will be minus because it's we open the bracket.
Right or wrong?
Yes.
Right or wrong?
Hmm.
Show me your notebook again.
I just made a mistake over here.
Whole question is wrong.
Like,
Didn't change the sign or what?
yeah, didn't change the sign.
Okay, too. Done?
I'm calculating.
Calculate it fast. What are you changing? Just make there minus ka plus. Add it.
Yeah.
Instead of subtracting, just add it and tell me the answer.
I got 107 by 20.
Show me your notebook. Okay, fine. Okay. Is there any doubt?
No.
Okay, try this question. Try to solve it.
Which one? The
Yes.
same question.
What?
In the screen, it's the same question.
What can you see now?
Now it's erased.
Okay. What now?
Yeah, I can see the question.
5 into 2 by 3 plus x equals to 2 by 4, okay? Or else make this 5 into minus 2 by 3 plus x equals to 2 by 4. Okay? Try to solve it and tell me the answer for x.
Oh. Okay.
Done?
No.
Okay. Show me your notebook.
Yes.
Unable to see anything. Move your notebook. Okay, what will you write after minus 10 by 3?
Like I will do plus
Okay, after that,
equal to 2 by 4.
why didn't you brought that 5 downwards towards 4?
Would be
Was it possible to bring it towards 4? No, don't cut it first. Tell me, was it possible to bring your 5 towards 4? Yes or no? So you have done right?
think so.
If I bring 5 towards 4, will it be wrong? What?
I don't.
Why don't you know? Okay, what do you think? You can bring that down or not?
Not down, but you can divide it like that.
You divide. Okay. I am writing an expression. Just tell me, is it correct or not? Okay. I am writing minus 2 by 3 plus x is equals to 2 by 4 multiplied by 5. Is it fine?
No.
It is wrong?
Yes.
Okay, I just wanted to see this only, okay? Don't solve this equation, that's correct, okay? Okay, move towards next question. There are another type of question which are based upon age, okay? The word problems which are based upon age, these are very important and common questions from this chapter, okay? One this age questions and the question which we have done that let the number to be x which have to be divided or multiplied or added by any number and give it to the sum of any number. The question which we have done previously, which was the last question? What was the last question, Saban? Am I audible to you?
Yes.
Yes. What was the previous question?
We did 5 into in bracket minus 2 by 3 and plus x equal to 2 by 6.
Okay. Before that, what question have we done?
X plus in bracket 2 into minus 7 by 3 in bracket close equal to 3 by 7.
What was the question? This is your solution. What was the question?
Oh, what should be added to twice the original number minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7?
This type of questions are very common from this chapter, and another these age questions, which we are going to do now. Okay, these two questions are very important and very common. Okay. Okay. So if I ask you that there is a boy named Thompson. Okay. If I ask you that Thompson's mother is 3 times older. What? 3 times older than Thompson's age? Okay. Thompson's mother is 3 times older than Thompson's age. Is it okay, Sauban?
Yes.
After 5 years, the sum of their ages is 66. Thompson's mother is 3 times older than Thompson's age. After 5 years, the sum of their ages is 66. Is it fine for you or not? Unmute yourself.
Yes.
So the question is, Thompson's mother is 3 times older than Thompson's age. Am I audible to you?
Yes.
After 5 years, the sum of their ages is 66. Find the present ages of Thompson and his mother. How will you find out? Try this question, otherwise I'll tell you. Okay? Unable to hear you.
Can you
What?
hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Say.
This one, I don't.
What?
I don't. I don't remember.
I'm unable to hear you, Soban. Can you speak little louder?
I don't remember.
What you don't remember?
How to do this.
How to do this question?
Yeah.
We haven't tried this any question like this. We have not tried anything like this till now. Okay? Okay, Soban? Just try it once. If you are not unable to do it, I'll do it for you. Just tell me what will you assume. Okay, leave it. Just tell me that what is the question saying.
Like Thompson's mother, who is like 3 times more than his age. After 5 years, if we add their their two, it will be 66. And what is and the question tells us find the present age of Thompson and his mother.
Okay. So if, for example, if I say you that Thompson is 5 years old. Okay. For example, Thompson is 5 years old. What would be the age of his mother?
15.
15. Why?
So 5 into 3.
Right. So if we get to know that if we get to know about the age of Thompson, it would be easier for us to calculate his mother's age, right or wrong? Right. So we don't know Thompson's age. Do we know Thompson's age? Can we let it to be X? Can we take Thompson's age be X? Write it in your notebook. Let us assume Thompson's age to be X. Write it down. Let Thompson's age be X. Let Thompson's age be X. Okay, Soban?
Yes.
Okay. What next?
Yes.
If Thompson's age is X, then what would be his mother's age?
X into 3.
Right. Write 3x in complete statement. Let Thompson's age be X. Let his mother's age be 3x.
Let me write the full question.
Oh, you have not written the full question?
I just lagged.
Okay, that's fine.
Went
Note it down. Done? Okay. So what will you assume now? Let what be x?
Thompson's HP.
Right. Let Thompson's age be what? X. Okay. So what would be his mother's age, Sobhan?
X.
What?
X into 3.
Right. So let his mother's age be what? 3x. Right or wrong? Let his mother's age to be x. Right or wrong?
Yes.
Okay, do.
Let Thompson's age be X and then into 3, right? Then what?
What?
After Thompson's age be X and then?
You have written let Thompson's age be x.
Yes.
Now what else the question is saying? Thompson's mother is 3 times older than Thompson's age. Right or wrong?
Yeah.
So if Thompson's age is x,
X
we
into
can assume that Thompson's mother is 3x. So
yes.
we will write let Thompson's mother age be 3x. Write it down.
Yes, done.
Done. Now what else? What is the question saying to you next? After 5 years.
After 5 years, the sum of their age is 66.
Right. If Thompson is 5 years old today. Okay. What? If Thompson is 5 years old today, what would be his age after 5 years? 5 years. What is your age, Soban?
My 13.
You are 13. After 5 years, what would be your age? No. Okay, 18 years old. Right, 18 years old. So if Thompson is 3 years old today, if Thompson is X years old today, what would be his age after 5 years? What will we do?
X plus 3.
Why X plus 3?
Yes.
Why X plus 3, Soban?
Oh, it will be X plus 5.
Right. So after you can write that after 5 years, Thompson age is equals to
Yes. I wrote after 5 years, Thompson's age will be X plus 5.
very nice. And what about his mother?
3X plus 5.
Very nice, right? Write it along with the complete statements, okay? After 5 years, the age of Thompson is equals to X plus 5. In next line, after 5 years, the age of his mother is equals to what? Is equals to 3x plus 5. Okay, Soban?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, done.
Now what is the question asking? After 5 years, the sum of their ages is 66.
Yes.
What will you do? What is Thompson's age after 5 years?
Like it will be 3x x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5
Equals to?
equal to 66.
Very nice. Do. Done, Soban?
Root
What is your final equation?
x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 equal to.
Will you add up your x terms and numbers? Can you add x plus 3x?
No.
You cannot x. Okay.
Like,
Okay. I hope you have written with all these statements. I am just writing the final equation, that is 3x plus. Okay, one second. You might have written it like this: x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 is equals to 66. Right, Soban?
we can
What?
plus x will be 3x only, right?
No. We apply the operation for variables also. Okay. Here you will add 5 plus 5. Right, Soban?
Yes.
For the same operation will be done for variables also. Variable will get add to the same variable. Same variable will get multiply also. Same variable will get divide also. Same variable will get subtract also. Okay. We'll perform the same mathematical operations with the variables, but the condition is they should be same. We will add x by x only. We cannot add x by y or x by y or z, anything else. We will add same variable, we will subtract same variable, we will multiply same variable, we will divide same variable. Is it clear to you? So can I add x and 3x? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So x plus 3x equals to what? What audible?
3,
Huh?
3 double.
No, 3 double x plus 3x, right? Here with x I have 3, right, Soman?
Yes.
And here?
No, 3.
Huh?
3 is not there. Only alpha.
What is here?
1.
1 is here, right?
Yeah.
Since this is x is having 1, we are not mentioning 1, we are just writing x. But since it has 1, so 1 plus 3, how much? 4. And what do we have in common? X. X plus 3x equals to 4x. Fine?
Yes.
Tell me this: x plus 7x plus 3x plus y. What would be the answer?
Eleven x plus 1.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So try to make the final equation for your question. Try to make the final equation. Whatever is getting added, just add them up and write it equal to 66. Okay, Somar? Okay or not?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, do.
will be 4x plus 10 equals to 66. No?
Yes.
Then we need to take the 4 down 60.
Why? What are you saying?
Then 4, we should take 4 under 6. 4 divided by
Why?
66.
What? Won't we have anything in addition to your variable? 4x plus 10. What will you do? What will you do with 10? You are not audible. Huh? Huh? How? You cannot add a variable with the number. Add variable with variable, number with number.
When will come down?
What happened? You forgot? Take your number to one side of the equality and your variable to the another side of equality. When we'll take our number to another side of equality, we will change it. Yes, we will change its number sign. So what happens?
I was telling that
What should I do now?
4x equal to 66 minus 10.
How much?
It will be 4x equal to 55. 56.
555 or 56 what?
56.
What now?
Then 4 will be divided by 56.
Yes, now you can divide this 4 because you don't have anything in addition, subtraction with it, okay? You have to bring all the numbers to one side of the equality and variable to another side of equality. When you see that nothing is left with the variable or with the number, then you can take your number down. X is equals to 56 upon 4. Fine?
Yes, it will be 16. Yeah, 14.
Answer came out to be 14. So what was X?
14.
What was X?
X was only 14.
X was 14. What is 14? Mother's age or Thompson's age?
Thompson's age.
So Thompson's age came out to be 14. What would be his mother's age? Okay, do. Take your time. Take your time.
Yeah, I will do it.
Yes.
His mother's age will be 42.
Okay. Okay. Can I raise my screen?
Yes.
So you are saying that X came out to be 14. So 3x is equals to 3 into 14. That is what? 42. So Thompson's age came out to be 14 and Thompson's mother's age came out to be 42 years. Okay.
Yes.
Tell me what was your final equation, Sobhan?
Yes.
Note it down, note it down.
No.
Done. Okay, now tell me what was your final equation? What was your final equation in this question?
X equal to 450.
What?
3x.
Have you written this thing anywhere?
Yeah.
Yes. So, you written this thing anywhere?
Yeah.
Was this your final equation in the equation? Okay, can you solve this? Tell me, what is the answer for this? Solve this and tell me your answer. How much?
Will be 42.
What?
Will be it will be 56 plus 10. Which will
What? How much?
66.
Was it 66?
Yes.
In the equation you have written 66? So this is a method of checking, okay? Wherever you will put your value of x in the equation, in your final equation, you should get the same answer. 4x plus 10 equals to 66. We didn't know what was x. Now we know that x is 14. So we multiplied 4 by 14 plus x equals to 66. We have done nothing. We have just put down the value of x in the final equation. And the answer came out to be the same, that is 66 and 66. Okay. So in this way you can check your answer. Fine.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any doubt? Try to solve exercise number 2.1, which was, I think your 3 questions were left, and try to solve exercise number 2.2.